Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to graph sine function by using transformations. So let's begin with an example. We have given the transformed sine equation and we have to sketch the graph by using transformation. So first I would like to write down the transformed sine equation, that is y equals to a sine k into x minus d and then plus c. Let me rewrite the given equation into the transformed form. So it would be y equals to 3 sine. Let me take the coefficient of x, that is equals to 2, common. So we are left with x minus 60 degrees and then plus 4. Okay. So let's figure out all the values. So the a value we have got is 3. The k is 2. D value is 60 degrees. And the c value is 4 in this case. Okay, so whenever we have to sketch the graph of any function by using transformation, we need the coordinates, right? So xy coordinates is going to change with the formula x over k plus d and ay plus c. Let me substitute the values of the transformation. So the xy are the coordinates for the base function or the parent function, that is the sine x, and the transformed coordinates would be x over k, k is 2, plus d, d is basically 60 degrees, a is 3, y plus c value is 4. So we need to draw the table of values for both the base functions and the transformed functions. Okay, so the first column I would like to write down for the base function, the xy, and the third column, the transformed x coordinate would be x by 2 plus 60 degrees, and the y transformed column would be 3y plus 4, right? Okay, so I would like to fix the x values for the base function. The base function in this case is y equals to sine x, because we are dealing with the sine function, right? Okay, so I would like to fix x equals to 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree, 450 degrees and 540 degrees, adding 90 each time. Yes. Okay, so you can get the y values by using calculator. Sine 0 would be equals to 0. Sine 90 is 1. Sine 180 is again 0. Sine 270 is negative 1. Sine 360 is 0. Sine 450 is 1, and sine 540 is again 0. Okay, so the next value for the next column we have to do x divides 2, and then we need to do plus 60 degrees. Okay, so let's do it. The first x value is 0, so it would be 0 divided by 2 plus 60. So 0 by 2 is just 0. So 0 plus 60 is equals to 60 degrees. So the new x value is 60 degrees. Now the next x is 90. So we have 90 divided by 2 and then plus 60 degrees. So it would be equals to 105 degrees. 105. The next x value is 180. So we have to do 180 degree divides 2 plus 60 degrees, that would be equals to 150 degree. Okay, the fourth x value is 270, so we have to do 270 degree divides 2 plus 60 degree, that would be equals to 195 degree, right? Okay, the next is 360. So when x is 360 degrees, it is going to divide with 2 and then add with 60 degrees. That would be equals to 240 degrees. So that is 240. Okay, let me raise these values to do the last two. Okay, the second last x value is 450. So 450 degree over 2 plus 60 degree, that would be equals to 285 degrees. Okay, moving to the last value, 540. So we have 540 degrees divided by 2 plus 60 degrees, that makes 330 degrees. Okay, so we have got the transformed x values. Okay, moving to the transformed y values. So we have to do 3y plus 4 for the last column. Okay, so the first y value is 0, so we can do 3 times of 0 and then plus 4. 3 times 0 is 0, we have just 4, right? The next y value is 1, so we need to do 3 times 1 plus 4. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 plus 4, that is equals to 7, right? Again, the y value is 0, so we have 3 times of 0 plus 4, 0 plus 4, that is equals to 4, right? Now the y value is -1, so 0 times 3 times -1 plus 4, so that would be equals to -3 plus 4, that is equals to +1. When the y value is 0, it is again equals to 4, and when the y value is 1, we have already done, that is equals to 7, and the y value is 0, that is again equals to 4. So we have done with the transformed y value as well. So we have done with the table of values. So let's plot all these points onto the graph to get the curve of the transformed sine function. Okay, let's plot all the points onto the graph to get the sketch of the transformed sine function. So when the x value is 60, the y is 4. So the x is 60 over here and the y is 4. So this is the first point. When the x is 105, the y value is 7. So 105. 105 lies between 90 degrees and 120 degrees. So 105, x is 105, the y value is 7. So that point is 7. So if I can say this point would be my second point, right? Now when x is 150, the y value is again 4. So 150 and the y value is 4. When x is 195, the y value is 1. Okay, so x is 195. 195 lies between 180 and 210. So the y value is 1, right? When x is 240, the y value is 4. So 240 and the y value is 4 over here. When x is 285, the y value is 7. So 285 lies between 270 and 300. So the y value is 7. Moving up, so that would be my second last point. Now when x is 330, the y value would be 4 again. So 330, that's the point of 330, and the y value is 4 again. So that would be my last point, right? Let me connect all the points to get the sketch of the transformed function. Okay, after connecting all the points, we have got the sketch of the transformed sine function. I hope you understand how to graph the sine function by using transformations. In my next video, I will explain you the graphing of the sine function by using properties. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you next time.